Isa ka bang OFW, virtual assistant, freelancer, seaman, investor, or business owner na naghahanap ng magandang property dito sa Cabanatuan City? Another day, another dream home spotted here at Grand Victoria Estates. Let's see kung ano-anong mga unit na ino-offer natin dito. Hana 3 bedrooms. Gianna 2 bedrooms kung ang hanap mo ay ready for occupancy unit. Kayla, Ara, Hera na 3 bedrooms or Gia na 2 bedrooms kung pre-selling unit or itatayo pa lang. Ivana unit ang ating 4 bedrooms house and lot with fence. Lahat ng mga units na to ay may maluluwang na lot area and fully finished upon turnover. So ano, may napili ka na ba? For site tripping and reservations, please contact my social media accounts.